If your circle doesn't make you money, sharpen your mind, or push you into discomfort, you don't have a circle. You have a cage. Friendship is cheap. Connections? That's a weapon. You're out here collecting buddies while other men are building alliances. No wonder you're broke, distracted, and emotionally soft. Here's the harsh truth. You don't stay broke because you're unlucky. You stay broke because you're emotionally attached to people who have no vision, no drive, and no clue how the game of money works. And you know it. They don't challenge your hustle. They don't call you out on your laziness. They don't think about money, growth, or long-term freedom. They think about weekends. They think about getting drunk and laughing about how broke they are, like it's a badge of honor. You were not born to be average. You were not born to keep losers comfortable. You were born to build. But guess what? Builders need warriors beside them, not spectators. If you want to build wealth, I mean real financial power, you need a team. Not friends who make you laugh, but alliances who make you move. No one taught you this because school never cared about teaching you network capital or money psychology. They taught you how to obey, not how to escape. So these are 5 steps to build your circle and your wealth. Step 1. Audit your circle like a balance sheet. Every person in your life is either an asset or a liability. There's no in between. Think about this. If your life was a business, would you rehire the people closest to you? If the answer is no, you're emotionally overpaying for nothing. You wouldn't keep a lazy employee on your payroll. So why are you letting lazy minds take up space in your head and your schedule? Stop spending time with people who aren't going anywhere, because they'll take you with them. Friendships built on comfort lead to average lives. Connections built on value exchange build empires. Ask yourself, do they leave you inspired or drained? Do they teach you things? Do they push you to upgrade? Do they do things or just talk? Step 2. Replace friends with strategic connections. You want to level up? Then find the ones who know how to close a deal, who treat time like money, and their goals like war. You'll know them by how they speak, by the way they shake your hand, by the fact that they don't have time for excuses, and they'll check you when you make one. They might intimidate you at first. Good. That means you've been soft too long. Approach them. Offer value. Learn something. Show you're useful, not just nice. Here's where to find masters. X. Find solopreneurs, copywriters, and traders. Reddit. Tons of free knowledge and connections. Discord servers and paid communities. High-signal people gather where there's some skin in the game. And when you connect, don't pitch, don't beg, just offer value. Share a strategy that helped you. Offer feedback on something they're building. Promote their work without being asked. You don't need to be rich to be valuable. You just need to pay attention and execute. Step 3. Cut the friendly dead weight. This is the part that hurts. You will outgrow people, and it will feel like betrayal. It's not. It's called evolution. If your goals make your friends uncomfortable, they were never friends. They were crutches. If your drive offends their laziness, good. You don't need a 10-man squad to win. You need 1 or 2 savage allies who want war just like you do. Step 4. Learn a money-making skill fast. This is the piece most guys miss. You can't attract high-level men if you bring nothing to the table. So here's a short list of high-leverage, low-barrier skills. Copywriting. Learn persuasion, sell products, land clients. Sales. Master influence. Close deals. Make commission. Social media content. Learn short-form reels plus editing. Help brands grow. Lead gen, DM outreach, appointment setting for agencies equals dollars. Pick one. Go deep for 90 days. Build a portfolio. Get results. Start freelancing or building a product. And most important, track your journey. That's how you get in the rooms that matter, not with talk, with execution. Step 5. Build your personal economy. Everyone talks about saving money, but savings are useless if you're not producing. Here's a simple system for someone under 30 trying to escape the rat race. Primary income, job or freelancing, your baseline fuel. Second stream, side hustle, agency work, e-com, or YouTube, where your upside lives. And stop saying you're too busy. You have time to scroll TikTok. You have time to build. You don't need 7 streams of income. You need 1 strong stream that proves you're not just a talker. Then scale it, multiply it, automate it. Step 6. Become a man of value. You don't attract strong connections by begging for mentorship. You attract them by becoming someone they can't ignore. Master a skill. Be the guy who gets things done. That way, when you offer something, people want it. Stop waiting to be chosen. Start becoming undeniable. Because in the real world, your network doesn't determine your net worth. Your value does. Look, this isn't high school anymore. You don't get points for popularity. You get power from positioning. You don't need friends. You need allies. People who sharpen you like steel. People who call you out, lift you up. That's not friendship. That's a financial brotherhood, a disciplined circle. And if you're not building one, you're bleeding time, money, and purpose every single day you pretend your loser friends are good enough. Fix your circle and fight forward. Money doesn't just flow to those who work hard. It flows to those who are aligned, disciplined, and ruthless about who they allow in their space. So stop looking for comfort. Start building your empire.